My name is John Herwig. I'm from Yucaipa, California, and I am a senior at Providence Christian College. Providence is different from other Christian institutions is that we really do practice what we preach. I think that there are a lot of Christian institutions that are Christian in name only, and you can see it by just looking at their statement of faith on their college website, or like the type of programs they have, or the biblical studies classes that they offer. And because we're a Reformed institution, that we are grounded in biblical truth, that we firmly believe these things, and we teach it. It's found in every classroom, whether you're learning about Plato, whether you're learning about Marx in education, whether you're learning about John Calvin, or you're learning about studying the book of Genesis. We're all grounded in biblical truth, and we're pursuing that. And I think a lot of other institutions aren't doing that. I guess I would tell somebody who is looking to support or is interested in supporting Providence Christian College is that if you want to see people, the next generation, grounded in the Bible, grounded in truth, grounded in beauty, and pursuing these things in excellence, I think that this would be an amazing opportunity to invest in that and to see it grow, because what Providence is doing is training the next generation to be the leaders, to be the servants of this world. And we are called out to go out into this world and to spread the gospel, and Providence is equipping people to do that effectively and efficiently. What I would say to someone who's interested in Providence is that if you want to be challenged, if you feel like you're ready for the difficulties of academia and of wrestling through hard topics and studying truth, then this is the school for you. I don't think you could find any better institution. But if you're not up for that challenge, then I would say that I would be prayerfully considering other options, because this is truly, you will be tested in so many ways, academically and spiritually and emotionally and physically. That's what this institution is all about. I think Providence does equip you to be engaged in the world, because you're learning every discipline that is in academia. So now you're grounded in what this world is, this world that God has created, what man has done for the past thousands of years. And now you get to go into this world really equipped to understand where people are coming from, understand different worldviews, and understand how the world works, whether you're in science, history, philosophy, or any other discipline. And so that's why the liberal arts is so important and so beautiful. If you truly love truth, goodness, and beauty, apply to Providence Christian College.